The following video is made to be used with hardware sync as part of the Buttpluggin with qDot video sync series. For more information, see the video description. What? What? Are you just gonna sit there and stare at me? What? I'm trying to program here. What do you mean you want a hand job? I'm busy trying to give the internet hand jobs with code. Oh my god, seriously? Okay, fine, let's do this. Hello? Yeah, what's up? Not much, just jerking off someone on the internet. No, I don't know who it is. It just happens, you know, every so often. Yeah, I'm still down for tomorrow. Cool. Talk to you later. Bye. Are you almost done? Because, I'm getting kind of hungry here. Oh, fucking my hand hurts, too. Shake it out. Okay, switching hands. Fucking, I'm gonna order a pizza here for when we're done. Yeah, hi, I'd like to order delivery. Yeah, that's my phone number. Yeah, I'd like a large ham and pineapple pizza, extra pineapple. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, thanks. See you soon. Bye. Okay, they're gonna show up soon, so you need to finish. Okay, we're calling that done, whether you like it or not. My arms are tired. Yeah.